So I'm away with work and I'm staying at a village hotel, and the accessible room I've requested has come with a bath rather than a walk-in shower, and I quite like a bath, so I'm going to show you how I get in and out of it, being paralysed from the chest down. I did have to make a special request to get the shower head dropped down into the bath because I couldn't reach it. And this has a glass swinging door, which is really handy, so I can move it out of the way. And I'm just going to move that shower head out of the way before I transfer in. The first thing I'm going to do is take that bath mat, which most people will put on the floor outside the bath, but I'm going to fold it up, and I'm going to put it in the bath. What I'm going to do is going to sit on that. That gives me a little bit of cushioning, which will protect my skin a little bit. So I'm going to put my feet into the bath, move myself to the edge of the chair, then reach across and lean on the edge of the bath. Now some baths have handles, this one doesn't, and lower myself into the bath, sitting on that towel to protect my skin. Once I'm in, I can grab the shower head and close the door, turn the water on and shower. Obviously I'm not going to turn the water on right now, I'm fully dressed, and sorry to disappoint, but I'm not doing this naked. I don't have OnlyFans and I've got no plans to get it. Once I'm showered and rinsed off all of the soap, it's time to get out. Now the brakes on my wheelchair are not fantastic, so I do need to make sure the chair doesn't move away from me, but the first thing I'm going to do is get my feet out so my legs are over the edge, and then I can just push up and sit on the edge before transferring back into my chair. Now obviously I would normally have a towel on my chair to protect my cushion from getting wet, get my feet back into the chair, take the brakes off, and I'm good to go. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe for more.